Hey there, oh my wonderful students. Hope you're enjoying the quarantine. There's just one thing I ask of you. Oh, just one thing for me. Please turn in your work on time. Oh, my wonderful students. All right, that's enough of that. Hey, welcome to part 2 of our ocean current lab. And today we're going to talk about when a cold ocean current bumps into some really warm water. All right, so in your lab we have the California current, right, which is a cold ocean current coming out of the Arctic. All right, there's some ice cubes in here. The water temperature is roughly 40 degrees Celsius. Right, so that's going to signify our cold California current, and it's going to run into some really warm water off the coast of California near Monterey. All right, and that water temperature is roughly 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to need you to predict, right, what's going to happen when I release that pin and the water begins to rush out. Is that cold water going to sink, or is it going to rise to the surface? Okay, so first go ahead and make that prediction. Just write it down anywhere. Okay, good. All right, so when we get this phenomenon, we get cold ocean currents bumping into warm water, what happens is we get something called upwelling. Right, and there's only 4 places on the planet that actually have upwelling. One is in Monterey, California. The other one, all right, that's close to us anyways, are the Galapagos Islands. All right, and when this occurs, we get abundant ocean life. All right, populations just boom. They call it the Serengeti of the ocean, or the rainforest of the ocean, because there's so much life, such great biodiversity. Right, so what happens is that plankton rises up from the bottom. Right, that's the base of the ocean food chain. Then we get small fish like your sardines and your menhaden and your any other small fish, right? And they're going to bring in the larger fish. They're going to bring in the tuna, right? They're going to bring in the barracuda, and those fish are going to bring in tons of shark species, right? All your reef shark, your ocean sharks. You can bring in dolphins and sea lions, right? All this wonderful wildlife. So it's a wildlife explosion when we get these upwellings. All right. So we're gonna kind of do that right now. So here's my cold California current. All right. What happens to it, and then what happens to that current when it bumps into land? All right. So I'm gonna kind of put this closer to the sides. You see when that current comes in, what does it do when it hits that land? All right. So here we go. If I can get that little doodah out. There it is. All right, there it is pouring out. Where is that cold water going? Is it sinking? Or is it rising? And when it hits that land or the glass there, what happens to that water? Do we get any upwelling? Kind of watch that for a second. Just a little hint. What does warm air do? Warm air does what? It rises, right? So we can say the same roughly with water. All right, that's it. That's part 2. All right, so finish that and turn it in via the Schoology Dropbox, and we'll be back tomorrow with our last and final part of the Ocean Currents Labs. Peace!